Chicken Hole Base, Nevada.
Come in, Chicken Hole Base. Come in, Chicken Hole Base. This is Capcom.
Chicken Hole Base, Cody here. What do you need, Capcom?
There's been a report of a mishap over at the MDRS.
Oh no, is everyone okay?
Everyone is fine. They've managed to escape, but there's indications of the HAB being quite depressed. It's at vacuum right now.
Oh, did it, have a leak or something? What happened?
Last we heard, the window is leaking.
So they think a window is leaking. Alright, is there anything I can do?
Well, we need to send a repair crew, and you're close by, and you have the capabilities in a spacesuit.
Alright, I can go have a look at it and attempt to repair, but that's a long EVA. I know I'm the closest HAB, but RoboCody's MIA, and I need Rose to look over my base. So I can do it, but I need someone to be there with me, just for safety.
Understood. I'm going to go ahead and page Sam and Simon, we're at Biosphere 2, and have them come and assist you.
Alright, so if we can meet up with somebody, and I'm game, let's do it. I'll be on the way.
Roger that. Good luck.
Sam, Space Analog Moon Mars Oracle, Arizona.
Come in, Sam. Come in, Sam. This is Capcom, over.
Yep, this is Sam Matthias here. How you doing, Capcom? What's going on?
Pretty good, but the MDRS is not doing so hot. The HAB is a problem. Are you able to assist?
Oh, yeah. Is everyone alright?
Everyone is fine. Unfortunately, everyone had to evacuate, and the HAB is now at vacuum. It's quite depressed.
Yeah, sounds like it. Alright, so do you have anybody going out there already?
Yeah, we've already paged Cody, and he'll be meeting you at a rendezvous point somewhere on Mars.
Okay. Alright, yeah, if you want to let him know, I will get suited up here right away and head out. I'm inputting some rendezvous coordinates where I want to meet him at, so he should be getting that. And, yes, let him know I'm on my way.
Will do. Good luck.
Copy that.
Mars Desert Research Station, Utah. Due to their rapid response, the team would be known as the Express Crew.
Alright, we are at the HAB.
Cody is in the red suit, breathing pure oxygen, pressurized 2.5 psi above ambient. Matthias is in the blue suit, breathing normal air, pressurized with a blower to half psi above ambient pressure.
I'm going to do a visual inspection to look at the window.
Roger that. Mars Express, please proceed with caution.
Alright, I have a visual on the window. It appears cracked and has popped out of the frame a bit. It has also accumulated a bit of frost. I'm gonna go up and look at it from the inside.
Understood.
Heading towards HAB.
Copy that. Can confirm that the HAB is depressed, but the doors, airlock doors are sealed. Alright, we're opening the front airlock door. Roger that. Express.
The airlock is empty. We're going inside.
Clear the outer airlock door. We are going to open the inner airlock door now, and we're going to skip the re-pressurization procedures because, well, you know. Yeah, the HAB is depressed.
Alright, we are inside. Looks like 3 of the suits are missing.
All astronauts left safely. They brought the suits with them.
The HAB still has power. The computers are on. Lights are on.
What's your damage report so far?
Everything looks great. Looks like there's some pieces of stuff that's like falling down the stairs. People definitely left in a hurry. Other than that, everything looks fine. It's just no atmosphere in here. So we're gonna go upstairs and look at the window. Our shoes, we can't really take them off because we're pressurized. Should we put on some little booties to protect the HAB from our dirty shoes?
I wouldn't bother. There's a slip hazard. You might puncture your suits on the inside of the HAB.
All right, roger that. We're heading up.
Good luck, Express.
Climb the first flight of stairs. We're heading up to the second.
I am right behind him on the stairs. Approaching upper deck now.
Yep, I'm up here. Everything looks just like nobody's home. Everybody left.
Go ahead, find a patch if you find a crack.
All right, I'm gonna pick up this chair that seems to be knocked over in the rush to get out. Yeah, there appears to be some material stuck to the window, a plastic bag, and a small stuffed animal, an alien that looks very suspicious.
Any idea on the cause there, Cody?
Yeah, the window is cracked. Looks like the frame popped out a bit. Both panels are compromised. It could be just thermal loading and material fatigue, or just the fact that glass is fated to break.
Well, that's what glass does. It breaks when it wants to.
All right, I'm going to finish removing the materials from around the window. All right, I'm going to get the patch out and prepare to apply it.
You okay up there?
Hang on, we dropped the tape. And we're picking up the tape now. We're good. Okay, I'm about to apply the patch.
Go ahead, you're clear to apply the patch.
So we're going to apply a few more pieces of tape just to make sure the patch holds.
Understood. Take your time.
Okay, patch is on.
That's great news. Please go back downstairs to the first level, express, and go to your environmental control panel systems and throw breaker 1718. We're heading back downstairs.
What about these oxygen bottles at the bottom of the stairs here?
Those bottles are for filling EVA packs. They don't contain enough volume to fill the HAB. The tanks of the HAB can be remotely controlled by an electrical panel. It is located across from the engineering airlock next to the med kit. Once activated, primary systems will come back online as pressure increases.
We have located the panel.
All right, I'm at the breaker.
Go ahead and flip both the breakers, marked with blue tape.
Okay, breakers have been flipped. We can hear O2 rushing.
Good news. The point-zero pressure is increasing and estimated it takes you around half an hour to get up to full pressure.
Oh wow, that fast, huh? All right, we're gonna sit down and relax for a minute.
It's a lot of volume to fill.
full pressure. It is now reached and is holding. You are now cleared to doff your suits.
Roger that. We're going to take our suits off now.
Woo! Alright, feels good in here.
Yeah, the air seems fine. It's breathable, doesn't smell bad. It's a little dry, a little cold, but other than that, we're doing great.
Excellent work, gentlemen. Congratulations, you've now won the Christmas turkey. It appears that the MDRS is now up to pressure and has gone from depressed to happy. Yes, baby.
The mission completed, Matthias and Cody can return to their home HABs. Thanks to their efforts, a new crew can now be sent to MDRS without risking an immediate abort if they are unable to repair the leaky window. Thanks to the Mars Society for letting us use their facility, and thanks to Crew 329 for making this all happen. And thanks for you for watching.